In a world before alarm clocks, waking up on time was a gamble. For factory workers, dock hands and miners, oversleeping meant more than just being late. It could cost them their wages or jobs. So, communities found a uniquely human solution, the knocker-up. This original alarm clock kept workers on schedule, ensuring they woke up before sunrise. During the mid-1800s to early 20th century, knocker-ups were essential. Their job was simple yet crucial: wake you up, no matter the effort involved. Some used long bamboo poles to tap on windows. Others employed pea shooters, firing dried peas until sleepers stirred. A few even brought ladders for those particularly heavy sleepers. Though it wasn't glamorous, it was reliable. The knocker-up existed because the industrial era demanded it. Workdays began early and ended late, while mechanical alarm clocks were often beyond the reach of the working class. Thus, the knocker-up became vital. Some worked for a small fee, while others served entire factories, waking multiple workers in one go. In many towns, they were a respected part of the morning routine. The relationship between the knocker-up and the workers was built on trust. People relied on them more than machines. They knew your schedule and sleeping habits well. Some even waited outside until they saw you move, ensuring you were awake. It was a personal service, dependable and sometimes essential for families. But as the 20th century rolled in, mass-produced alarm clocks became cheaper and more precise. Factories modernized, leading to the eventual disappearance of the knocker-up. Yet their story is a window into a past where human reliability reigned supreme and waking on time relied on a gentle tap at your window. The knocker-up, a job rooted in necessity, wielding sticks and persistence, now a forgotten chapter of industrial history. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.